just been to the shops just to buy a few bits to make up a picnicky lunch for the next couple of days. So gonna get our picnic together and then go off and have a little explore of the city. Found a little spot now to enjoy our lunch, our little picnic. We've just got some like chicken salad wrap things that we've made. So I think the plan is to go and get some Ben & Jerry's ice cream, because I walked past the Ben & Jerry's on the way to Woolies, and then just have a little kind of walk around the Esplanade area. The actual lagoon behind me over here, which is like a swimming kind of chill out area, is actually closed. They close it once every 2 years for 3 weeks, and it's literally like the week that we are here. So talk about bad luck, but there we go. But we're gonna have a little walk around the Esplanade. But yeah, so far very chilled out day. Tomorrow is actually a very, very exciting day, but I might do a whole separate vlog for that. I haven't quite decided yet. Had our Ben & Jerry's. I had my absolute favourite flavour, which I don't think I've had for like 2 years, which is Chunky Monkey. So it's a banana flavoured ice cream with walnuts and dark chocolate pieces in it, and Tim went for chocolate fudge brownie. We had a little walk out along the Esplanade and saw loads of birds. There was loads of massive pelicans, but I don't know if you can quite pick them up in the camera, and can see out across all of the mountains. Obviously it's very, very low tide, so probably why all the birds are just sat there chilling out, living their best lives. The plan after this is to walk up to the tip of Cairns, and I think we might go for like a further walk along the Esplanade just down to like the next park that's there, and then maybe get a coffee at some point as well. But feeling very relaxed, just enjoying the sun. So we are back out at the water. It is like 3 o'clock, but it's still absolutely boiling. I think it's like 25, 26 degrees, which is absolutely insane considering that it's obviously winter here. There is so many people sunbathing, and if only the actual lagoon was open, I would definitely be going for a swim right now. But the mountains behind me look very, very cool, and we're just gonna have a little walk off kind of in this direction. Very windy, but the views are absolutely spectacular. You can see there's mountains there, and then more here. And just sat down now with a little cappuccino from Macca's. We are just back at the hostel now for a little bit, just so Tim can charge his laptop, which sounds very unexciting. We just had a little coffee from Macca's that you would have seen. I think we have also decided where we're going to go for dinner tonight. The plan is to just have a couple of drinks before we go out, and we'll probably go out for a little bit of a wander before that anyway. A, because we need to buy the drinks, and B, because it's only 20 to 5 and it's still pretty warm and sunny out there. But yeah, so far a really lovely chilled day. Tomorrow is going to be very, very busy. I did mention earlier I might do tomorrow's vlog as like a whole separate vlog, because we've got like a big whole day excursion planned. We're just out for a little evening stroll before we go out for some dinner. Everywhere is just lit up so nicely, and we've seen about 10 million bats, which is pretty cool as well. And we are now just about to go out for some dinner. We are back from dinner. I opted to have fish and chips, which was literally only $10, and Tim had a chicken schnitzel, which was also only $10. We went to, there's like a pub that's attached to our hostel, and if you show your like room key, you get discounts on food and drinks. So yeah, the food is only $10, and then we had a beer each, which was only $6 each for those. So absolute bargains. Just gonna spend the rest of the evening, probably watch a bit of TV, gonna have a coffee. It is 9:20 and we need to be up kind of early tomorrow for like our all-day excursion, which I think I've said about 100 times. I'm probably gonna vlog as a separate vlog. So it is now 6 o'clock on Tuesday evening. Tim and I have been out all day on a very fun excursion that I have vlogged as a whole separate video. But basically we went on the Corunda Scenic Railway, and yeah, you'll have to check out the other video to just see everything and hear my thoughts about it, and yeah, just everything about it. We have actually just ordered Domino's and it's on the way and should be here within the next kind of 10 or 15 minutes or so. And we've actually decided we're going to go to the cinema tomorrow to see Jurassic World, because it's literally $10 this week, and I think that's an absolute bargain, and it's a film we really want to see, and it's actually supposed to be a bit like overcast, kind of cloudy, rainy tomorrow, so we thought what a perfect opportunity to go and see it. It is now Wednesday morning and all ready to go out. We are actually off to see Jurassic World at the cinema. We've booked our tickets for 10 o'clock. It is now 9:20 and we just need to quickly stop off at Coles to get some croissants for breakfast, eat those, and then head to the cinema. So we're out of the cinema. The film was absolutely just excellent. We went to see Jurassic World and both really enjoyed it. We've seen all the other like Jurassic World and Jurassic Park films, so yeah, it was definitely a great film. And then we just had a little like sherry meal from Hungry Jack's for our lunch. We're just heading back to the hostel now just to do some laundry, and then we're going to go off again, probably down to like the Esplanade, down to the water, to have a little explore and chill out there. It's gone actually really very cloudy and a little bit windy, but it does still feel really warm and really humid. So we've done all our little chores back in the room. Here is our t-shirts all hanging up. Tim said it looked like I set up a boutique in the room, which I don't know, kind of does. We just paid to wash the laundry. It's like another $4 just to dry it, but it's only like 3 days worth of clothes that we wanted to wash, and didn't really see the point in paying to get it all dry when we just hang it up. So we're just nipping out again now. We're gonna go to Woolies first because Tim wants to buy some new hair stuff. Then we're gonna go down to the Esplanade and see if we can see any fish, because the other day we actually saw a lionfish. They're like super venomous if you get like stung by one of their spines. So yeah, gonna see if there's any more cool sea life down there, and then we're gonna go to the art gallery. Back at the water, we have just found some like weird fish on one of the rocks. I've just tried to get a little like clip of it, so hopefully you'll be able to see it. I think it's one of those that like spend some time like in the sea and some time on the land, but anyway, it's pretty cool. It's also absolutely boiling. It's been like 28 degrees today. It was supposed to be like cloudy and overcast all day, and whilst there are clouds, it's still absolutely boiling. Time in the art gallery. I think I forgot to mention that it's free as well, which is cool. Yeah. The art gallery was outstanding. We're now just sat by a tree with a $1 frozen Fanta from Macca's. So we have decided, rather than going out for dinner again, we will just have like a little spread here. We've got like some salad, wraps, chips, dips, all that kind of thing just on the table behind me here. So just gonna enjoy this, carry on watching The Simpsons.